Have you ever wondered how your Android device seems to know you better than your closest friends? This isn't just a testament to our growing dependence on technology, but a reflection of the remarkable journey of Android and artificial intelligence, or AI. At the heart of this relationship is Google, the tech giant that brought Android to life. But Google didn't just stop there. They envisioned a world where our devices wouldn't just be smart, but intelligent, intuitive, and able to anticipate our needs. And so the integration of AI into Android systems began. AI is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction. It's here, right now, in our pockets, in our hands, shaping our interactions with the world in ways we often take for granted. From voice recognition that understands our commands, to predictive text that knows what we're going to say next, AI is becoming an integral part of our everyday life. Google has been at the forefront of this revolution, consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The company's commitment to innovation and advancement has resulted in groundbreaking features like Google Assistant, an AI-powered virtual assistant that's become a staple on Android devices. But it's not just about making our lives easier. The intersection of Android and AI is also about creating a more inclusive digital world. Think about features like live caption and live transcribe, which use AI to help those with hearing impairments engage with their devices. In the grand scheme of things, we're just at the beginning of this fascinating journey. The integration of AI into Android is an ongoing process, with new developments and advancements happening all the time. What might seem like magic today could be commonplace tomorrow. And while we can't predict exactly what the future holds, one thing is clear: the relationship between Android and AI is dynamic, ever-evolving, and full of potential. The journey of Android and AI is a fascinating tale of innovation and forward thinking. It's a journey we're all a part of, and one that's shaping our digital future. The story begins with the release of the first Android operating system in 2008. This was a time of raw potential and boundless possibilities. The world had just met a mobile operating system that was open source, meaning it was free for anyone to use and modify. This was Android's first step towards democratizing technology, making it accessible to all. But even then, the seeds of something more profound were being sown. The early days of Android were marked by a pioneering spirit. Developers around the globe were experimenting, innovating, and pushing boundaries. But as they tinkered, they began to see the potential for something more. They saw the possibility of an operating system that didn't just respond to inputs, but could actually anticipate user needs. An operating system that could learn. Enter artificial intelligence. While AI wasn't new in 2008, its integration with consumer technology was still in its infancy. The idea of marrying Android with AI was ambitious, even audacious. But the potential was too great to ignore. The first steps were tentative, with features like predictive text and voice recognition. These were the humble beginnings of AI in Android, but they set the stage for what was to come. As Android evolved, so did its relationship with AI. The open-source nature of Android enabled developers to experiment and innovate at a rapid pace, pushing the boundaries of what was possible with AI. With each new iteration of the operating system, AI became more ingrained, more sophisticated. It started to become an integral part of the Android experience, but this was only the beginning. As Android grew, so did the AI. It was not just a feature anymore, it was becoming a core part of the operating system. The groundwork was laid, the foundation was set, and the stage was ready for AI to take center stage in the Android ecosystem. As Android grew, so did the potential for a greater AI presence. This was the dawn of Android and AI, a partnership that would revolutionize the smartphone experience. But this was just the beginning. The real revolution was yet to come. From voice commands to personalized recommendations, AI has significantly enhanced the Android user experience. We're living in an era where our smartphones know us better than we know ourselves. It's all thanks to the magic of artificial intelligence, AI, a technology that's revolutionizing the Android experience. One of the most significant shifts began with the introduction of Google Now. Remember those days? When Google Now popped up on your screen with traffic updates for your commute, weather forecasts, or reminders for your favorite shows. That was AI at work, learning from your patterns and preferences to make life a little bit easier. But Google didn't stop there. The tech giant took things up a notch with the launch of the Google Assistant. This was more than just an update, it was a game changer. Google Assistant, powered by AI, became a virtual companion that not only answered your questions but also engaged in meaningful conversations. You could ask it to set reminders, make phone calls, send texts, play music, and so much more. It was like having a personal assistant in your pocket, available at your beck and call. AI has also played a pivotal role in enhancing Android's predictive text capabilities. Remember the time when you had to type every single letter of a text? Well, not anymore. Now, your Android device predicts what you're going to type next, making communication quicker and more efficient. Moreover, AI has empowered Android with facial recognition technology. It's now possible for your device to recognize you and unlock itself, offering a seamless and secure user experience. In addition, AI has given birth to personalized recommendations. Whether it's Google Play suggesting a new game you might like or YouTube recommending a video based on your viewing habits, AI is constantly working in the background to cater to your unique tastes and preferences. But the journey of AI and Android didn't stop there. AI continues to shape the Android experience, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and paving the way for a future where our smartphones are not just smart, but intelligent. Today, AI is not just a feature on Android devices, it's an integral part of the system. It's the invisible hand guiding your interactions, making your device smarter, smoother, and more intuitive. Think about it. When you're typing a message and your keyboard seemingly knows what you're going to say next, that's AI at work. It's called predictive text, and it's been learning from your typing habits to anticipate your next word, making your texting faster and easier. Then there's image recognition. Snap a photo of a landmark, and your Android can tell you what it is and even give you some history about it. That's AI interpreting the world around you, making your device not just a tool, but an informative companion. But it's not just about convenience. AI on Android devices also works behind the scenes to optimize your device's performance. Take battery management, for instance. AI learns your phone usage patterns and adjusts the power consumption accordingly, extending your device's battery life without you having to lift a finger. And let's not forget app suggestions. Based on your usage, AI can suggest apps that you might find useful or interesting. It's like having a personal assistant that knows your preferences and is always ready to help you discover something new. All these features are the result of years of development and advancements in AI technology. They are designed to make your Android experience more seamless and personalized. But what's remarkable is that this is only the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and user-friendly features to be integrated into our Android devices. So, the next time you use your Android device, take a moment to appreciate the AI working tirelessly to enhance your user experience. From predicting your next word to managing your battery life, AI is the unsung hero that makes your Android device truly smart. The future of Android is here, and it's powered by AI. What does the future hold for Android and AI? That's a question that sparks curiosity. As we journey further into the realm of technology, we can expect to see Android AI become even more personalized and efficient. Imagine a world where your smartphone knows you so well that it can anticipate your needs, making your life easier and more convenient. It's not just about convenience, though. Efficiency is also on the horizon. With AI's capacity to learn and adapt, Android could potentially optimize battery life, manage storage, and even enhance device performance. However, as we embrace this futuristic vision, we must also grapple with concerns about privacy and data security. With the increasing integration of AI into our daily lives, we must ensure that our personal information is protected and used responsibly. As we move forward, Android and AI continue to shape our digital world. This intersection of technology and intelligence is a frontier of innovation, heralding a future that's both exciting and challenging. As we delve deeper into the fascinating future of Android and AI, it's important to remember the challenges we may face along the way. Privacy and data security are two major concerns that need to be addressed. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they will have access to an increasing amount of our personal data. How this information is used and protected will be of utmost importance. It's critical that we strike a balance between personalization and privacy, ensuring that while our devices learn about us and adapt to our needs, they do so in a manner that respects our personal boundaries and safeguards our information. Furthermore, as the complexity of these AI systems increases, so does the potential for errors and bugs. Ensuring the reliability and accuracy of these systems will be a significant challenge. But with every challenge comes an opportunity. We are standing on the brink of a new era, where the fusion of Android and AI will redefine the boundaries of what our devices can do. So, stay tuned and be part of this exciting journey. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI. We'll continue to bring you the latest and most informative content on the subject.